Hello again, this Randy, your sewing machine man. What we're looking at is a Singer 14U244B with differential feed. Every now and then I like to find an appropriate little 4-thread serger that I can recommend to people. There are various and sundry ones out there, but this is a nice one. It's got a high amount of metal content. A lot of people like to say all metal, but that's hard to find anymore because even dials and covers and things are made out of plastic. So all metal is kind of a misnomer, but this one has a high percentage of metal in it. It's a good, solid, easy to thread, as easy as a serger can be. There's a diagram in there. And sergers are notorious for being hard to thread, and that's usually the malfunction whenever I work on a serger. It is misthreaded. Once we get that straightened out, then all the different adjustments that the customer made to try to remedy the fact that it was misthreaded, then we get it going. But this is a nice little machine, very simple, very solid. Of course, it has its limitations like any serger. Most sergers will sew a couple layers for finishing off a seam, shirts, jammies, blouses, pillowcases, things like that. And if you try to exceed their limitation, because it has to cut it first, it has to feed it, and it has to sew it. So if it can't cut it, it's too heavy, it won't feed it, it won't sew it, it'll jam, it'll be a problem. But these old Singers, going way back, they don't have any plastic shrouds or fragile small parts, so I recommend these. These are probably available out there for sale in the range of $150 to $250. This one I have sale for $199. If you're interested, give me a buzz. I'll put it on Machines for Sale and maybe also under Machine Review, because it's a nice little serger, little Singer differential feed. Thanks a lot.